I also gave the second call for the senior girls 200 meter sprint. Ruth Vatsalya, Jyotsna, Chandana, Abhigna, Amulya Krishna and Shushmita, the finalists of the 200 meters. Next we call upon the class 3 winners, the gold medal. Hello. The students are receiving their medals from the hands of the chief guest of the day. The final call is given for the 200 meter sprint for the senior girls. The next, after that, the event is 200 meter sprint for the junior girls.
Result of teamwork. Success is where preparation and opportunity meet.
Thank you, sir, for giving away the medals to the students. And we now continue with the athletic events. The event for together is progress, working together is success. The finalists have already taken their position.
And the participants are Lane 1 Ruth Vatsalya of Vijayanagar, Lane 2 Jyotsna of Kakatiya, Lane 3 Chandana of Satvana and Lane 4 Abhigna of Kondaveedu, Lane 5 Amulya Krishna of Vijayanagar and Lane 6 Sushmita of Kakatiya.
It's not whether you win or lose, it is how you play the game, ladies and gentlemen. It is the senior-most girls of the school in their 200 meter sprint. Ruth Vatsalya, Jyotsna, Chandana, Abhigna, Amulya Krishna and Shushmita doing their best to win a medal for their house. So evidently it is Abhigna in the lead, the Kondaveedu house, and Amulya Krishna with the silver medal. We will wait for the result for the third place. 200 meter sprint junior girls. They will release now for the next event. The final call for the 200 meter sprint for the junior girls. It's rightly said that gold medals are not made of gold. They are made of sweat, determination and hard work to find an alloy called courage. So moving forward are the junior girls for the 200 meter sprint.
And the participants are Lane 1 Nitya of Satvana, Lane 2 Nitya of Vijayanagar, Lane 3 Manavya of Kakatiya, Lane 4 Dola Himachi of Satvana, Lane 5 Kirtan of Kakatiya and Lane 6 Aru of Vijayanagar. The will to win is important, but the will to prepare is vital. India. Failure is not failing down, but refusing to get up.
The first call is given for 200 meters junior girls also. Ladies and gentlemen, we will witness the 200 meters sprint for the junior girls. All is set for the 200 meters sprint for the junior girls. Clapping for them, the junior girls. They have been preparing for the whole year. Rush of the wind moving forward to the announcements desk. Sub-junior girls, 200 meters sprint will be released now. The escorts are bringing them here to the start line.
And the participants for sub-junior girls are Meghna of Kakatiya.
So this is the 200 meter sprint, sub-junior girls.
It is not the will that matters. Everyone has that. It is the will to prepare and win that matters.
Mr. V. Srinivas Rao and Mrs. Kamati, please release the students in the inner track, not from the outer track to the start point. Please send the students from the inner track. Thank you.
Champions keep playing until they get it right. There is no glory in practice, but without practice there is no glory.
Kusuma, Shahasra, Yashashvi, Aisha, Sanvi Verma, Meghna, they are taking their positions on the staggers. So all is now set. The lane judges are very keenly observing the lanes. Ensure that you don't change your lane. So champions keep playing until they get it right. Everybody keep clapping for them. That's it. I will not miss my duty to encourage you all to clap. So that is the sub-junior girls 200 meters sprint. And we will see with your clapping, your encouragement, your energy boosts up. The adrenaline makes them move forward. Vijayanagar, come on, clap for this short one, the Satvana house. You can still take a lead. We can be released for the
to the start line here. From the minute practice. From the minute practice. This is wonderful. You have to go out and get it. Make each day your masterpiece. We are going to witness the senior girls sprint for the Navbharat High School students. Gayatri, Pooja, Pavitra, Yasmin, Afrin and Tejaswari. The first call is given for the 200-meter sprint for the senior boys also. Please be ready. After this medalling ceremony on the victory stand, we will go with the 200-meter sprint for the senior boys. Please don't change your tracks. So with this we end up with the 200-meter sprint for the Navbharat High School. The more you sweat and practice, the less you bleed in battle. Senior girls Navbharat High School 200-meter sprint, and we will now witness the medalling ceremony. We make a humble request to the guest of honor, Mr. K.R.V. Shyam Sundar Garu, Secretary General, Ring Tennis Federation of India and a national televised player. Sprint for the senior boys. First call for this 200-meter sprint for the senior boys. Clocking 31.26 seconds. Narrowly missed the school record. Just by 1 second she has missed the school record. I think we did not clap well for her. If we had done it, she would have broken the record. So we will continue to do our work. So it is Abhigna with her gold medal. Silver medal is bagged by Amulya Krishna of Vijayanagara House. And the bronze has gone in favor of Jyotsna of Kakatiya House in the fourth. Now I call upon the junior girls 14 and 15. So Gnanavi with the gold medal, congratulations. The silver is bagged by Himasvi Chowdhury of Satvahana House. The bronze is won by Kirtana of Kakatiya House. And in the fourth place is Likita. Congratulations. So it is Yashashvi with her gold medal. The record was by V. Kirtana in the year 2022-23. Silver medal now is bagged by Aisha of Satvahana House. The bronze has gone in favor of Sanvi. Congratulations, Kakatiya House. Congratulations. Congratulations. That is the 200-meter sprint for the Navbharat High School. We now move forward with our athletic events, and ladies and gentlemen, be alert, the senior boys, the most important event. Away the medals to the students. Let's not forget, every second matters. We will a clear lead of Satvahana House, and we'll have to see. Let's keep clapping. Hopefully we will break the record of the school. Madhu, come on, we are going to break the record. 29.13 seconds is the record, and followed by him is upon silence. The weak can never forgive. Very well said. If you want to see the rainbow, you will have to experience the rain. Feel the difficulty in being the rain. Prepare yourself for all the and Navadvip. They will do their best from their houses. So we will have to see in the last lap how exactly what exactly is the position. It appears very clearly. I can announce it. It is Kakatiya House in a very clear lead, but for the second and third position, you can still try for your medal, red and blue house. You can see how the blue house has taken the lead. Everything seems to be clear. The event is about to begin. These are learning to be committed to their work. Soon they will become seniors and they will have the determination. Ladies and gentlemen, keep observing. Where claps are there, the speed increases. Where the claps increase, the speed increases. It's all the inner spirit and the outer spirit that pushes the athlete. In the purple t-shirt and the red t-shirt is also trying their best to move forward, push themselves towards the finish line. And the last lane, it's evident he is a clap for them, please. Evidently he has bagged the gold for him. For the bronze, it is next to neck. Congratulations, we end up with of Kakatiya House. Congratulations, you did your best, senior boys. All the Satvahana House, they are on the victory stand. All the best for the overall trophy too.
B. Akhil of 2018-19 batch clocked 25 seconds for this 200 meter senior boys sprint. So they could not break it just by a second, less than a second. And next coming up on the victory stand is junior boy. For the bronze is Mukesh of Vijayanagara House. And in the fourth place is Vasikar of Satavahana House. Congratulations. And now next I call upon the sub-junior boys to please come on to the victory stand to receive your medals. So here I have a news for the sub-junior boys. Ladies and gentlemen, the next students who are going to come on to the stage, bronze is won by Madhavan of Satavana, and in the fourth place is Arvind of Kakatiya House. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap for them please. A very big thunderous applause for Chaturved for breaking the record in this 45th annual Sports Day celebrations. Relay teams, please be ready. The 200 meters. Congratulations of Satavahana House. So with this we come to the end of the 200 meters sprint, and now we move for the 4x100 meters sprint. And ladies and gentlemen, I already made an announcement about the event for the parents. For the event,
Lane 3 Vijayanagara House, Nikita Hamsasri Daksha Arohi. Lane 4 Satavana House, Dola Himasri Chaudhary, Joshita, Divya Agarwal and Maithili.
So please keep yourself ready and let's all keep clapping for them. Clap because there can be a slip between the cup and the lip. That's how we are. The final exchange of battle is happening now, ladies and gentlemen. You can see how the students are cheering them. Final lap for the junior girls going to 100 meters relay. In a clear lead is Vijayanagara, but you see it is Nanavi who's taking clear lead, ladies and gentlemen. That is the announcements desk. The bike key was found near the medical ground. The medical bench there. If anybody has lost a key, they can come to the announcements desk. And a link of the anklet, silver anklet is also found. Please show me the other anklet and you can take it from
In his mind. There is no failure. It is only unfinished success. Success is neither man.
Given the call for the relay, and this is the first lap. They are getting the cheers from the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, the first exchange of baton has happened, and the exchange of baton is the most important event there. Without failure, they should hold the baton very tightly. If the baton touches the ground, they will be disqualified. They should not change the lane also. Come on, go faster towards the next lap. You can see how Kakatiya House is trying its best. This is a teamwork. Still, in the last lap, they could still pull up for the gold medal. For the silver is Vijayanagara House, Nikita, Hamsasri, Daksha and Arohi. Congratulations. Senior girls also please ready, be ready. Medals. Shining bright, silver medal. Nikita, Hamsasri, Daksha and Arohi. Congratulations. Senior girls please move forward, the winners. Himasri Chaudhary, Joshita, Divya Agarwal and Maithili. For them, I will not fail in reminding you and reminding you again and again. Let's keep clapping for them. And the fourth place is bagged by Nantika, Varshini, Pratika and Dikshita of Kondavidu House. For the Navbharat. Next we will be giving away senior girls medals. Fourth place winners are on. Let it be the escorts, let it be the first aid team, the water supply team, the announcements desk, the discipline committee. Each and every team is doing its best to make this event a successful one. And we thank each and every Joshna and Shushmit. Varshini, Sugamya, Devavarshini and Amulya Krishna are receiving the silver medal from the hands of the guests of Vijayanagara House. Congratulations. Bronze medal winners are Chandana, Tejaswini. Limited seats, only 15.
Tomorrow's troubles. It takes away today's peace. Tough times never last, but tough people do. What this world wants today, more than it ever did before, its strength. To give any less than your best, it is to...
Next is the junior boys 4 into 100 meters relay. Lane 1 is Satvana, Lane 2 Vijayanagara, Lane 3 Kakatiya. A beautiful finishing event. So the rating of the muscles that really gives us the shape. And the first exchange to go to the next exchange of battle gives us beautiful finishing. After the final exchange of battle, ladies and gentlemen, clearly Mother is in a clear lead for his house, for his team, and followed by Kakatiya, then Kottavidu and Vijayanagara in the 4th place. So Greenhouse just missed it, but never mind, you have done your best. The gold medal is won by the Kottavidu House, Harshit, Kaushal, Anurag and Sai Surya. Congratulations. And the bronze is won by Krishna Chaitanya, Vishnu, Vasikar and Kartikeya. So these are the horses which have done 100 meters. Senior boys to please be ready to receive their medals. We are now left with only 2 relays for this 45th annual Sports Day celebrations of Navbharat schools. Senior boys, Navbharat High School.
Chaitanya, Abhi and Manohar. Lane 3, Kondavidu, Akhil, Tanur, Akhil and Saravan Kumar. Lane 4, Kakatiya, Bhav Singh.
Clocking 55.72 seconds. They have won the gold medal. Madhu, Ramvaran, Shanmukh Vardhan, Sriram Karthik. Congratulations. I think we are clapping for them. Congratulations, senior boys. Our full appreciation for your hard work. The 3rd place for the bronze is Kondavidu House, Dinesh, Vignan, Shushant and Anshul. And in the 4th place is Vijayanagara House, Ashwath, Yaman, Arjun and Jashwant. That is the senior boys 4 into 100 meters relay. Congratulations. 400 meters senior boys now. And then I request the parents who are registered to please be ready with your coupons, which are supplied to them after your registration, to please enter the ground after the 2 relays for the event for the parents. Seek not greater wealth, doing their best.
ప్రయత్నం వెనుక పరిగెత్తు, గెలుపు ఎప్పటికైనా నీ వెనుక పరిగెడుతుంది. ఒక ధ్యేయంతో కృషి చేస్తే నేడు కాకపోయినా రేపైనా విజయం తప్పదు. విజయమే సర్వస్వం కాదు, పరాజయం అంతం కాదు. ఏది
Every student's determination and their spirit to win is making them gallop forward like horses. And now the students are eagerly, these are the senior boys, ladies and gentlemen, so you can imagine how much of energy the youth has. I hope with the same energy they will move into the society to do their best for themselves, their parents, their school and the society and the country
on the top. So this is the final. They are reaching their finish line. And that is clear. I don't think the judges at the finish will have any difficulty and wait for the results to come. Congratulations. Abhi and Manohar, they have won a silver medal for Satavahana House. Congratulations. Akhil, Tarun, M. Akhil and I. Akhil, Tarun and Shravan Kumar are receiving their bronze medals. Here to be technically correct. So one of the team, they changed the lane, both the teams changed the lane, and one of them dropped the baton also. So they were not qualified for the event, though they finished their event. So first place has gone in favor of Kondavidu House, Satya, Pratika, Abhigna and Dinesh. Congratulations. The timings have not been recorded because of this confusion. The second place is Use Your Courage. It's more important how well we have done the work. So don't get dejected. You still have many more things to do. Even the adversity teaches us. So congratulations. With this we come to the end of the athletic events. CCA, sports events, many competitions also were held house-wise. We also held a free eye checkup camp, which was sponsored by LV Prasad Eye Institute. Get ready. Here I have some major achievements by the students. Gnanavi of 7th B bagged gold in 800 meters and CBSE cluster meet and gold in roller skating in nationals. B Divya of 8th A bagged a silver in shot put in CBSE cluster meet. Lasya Sri Bhavani. You have to take the ball holding your hands carefully. You can again take the ball. Difficult task. So they have to reach. There's a. So the first interesting event has started. Taking the ball to the cool drinks. Eagerly the cool drinks. Be careful, please. Don't gulp it fast. It is risky to take it too fast. Please hold your ball and your balloon. Hold your ball and your balloon along with your better half. Reach the sticks, please. You can leave the bottle. Please, you can leave the bottle. Balloon and ball is important. They should reach with balloon and ball and the stick. Balloon and ball and the stick. Excellent. One couple is very highly synchronized. Please, let's keep clapping for them so they have a clear understanding of how to finish the event. That is, it appears to be in slow motion. Everything is going on in slow motion. So the event has completed. Everybody please complete the event. Winning is important, but completing is more important. Please complete the event because that happiness remains with us. The completeness remains with us. Thank you for joining this event, and we will be giving away Yashwant and Sanjay Ram. They are SDF football players for the Mr. G. Rajesh and Mrs. Srimati Maunika. They are the parents of and Srimati Payal, parents of Sparsh of 5th C. And the third place is backed by, that is Mr. Pradeep B. Rohit Raju Garu, IPS Superintendent of Police, Bhadradi Kottagudem District, Telangana. As I was telling, Anshita of 9C, she went for the state level NTPC Bureau. Displays will go on after a few minutes. The displays will continue after a few minutes. We are very thankful for the chief guest of the day for being present with us and encouraging all of us.
I got an opportunity to interact with the young minds of the generation, and at the same time I feel myself like I am getting older. It's been like 17 years I left my school. Thanks to management once again. And special thanks to all the winners like who got prizes, like different levels of prizes in all the events. And my special congratulations and warm regards to all the participants. I feel like instead of like only recognizing all the winners, we need to appreciate equally all the participants, because this one event or one athlete event is not going to decide your future. So I especially thank all the participants and as well as the winners. And somehow I feel like when I got posted here as a ASP in different subdivisions and later as a Superintendent Police of Bhadradri Kottagudem district, I always feel like Navabharat institution itself, being in Palvansha, Kottagudem district itself, is a big boon to us, because like the standard they are maintaining here is on par with like so-called like great schools in multinational or good cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, and as well as like other tier 2 kind of towns in the Telangana. And the approach they have towards education, not only focusing on just education, they are focusing more on extracurricular activities, which we witnessed today. For being here with Kottagudem, so we thank you from the bottom of my heart. And as I come to like as a chief guest, I would like to tell few things. Like when I was in NPA, National Police Academy, for my IPS training, we used to have a Director General who heads our National Police Academy. At the age of like 57, 58, being very busy man, like with hectic schedule, he used to attend online music classes whenever he gets time. So once I asked my director, sir, like, what is the fun in learning music at this age, at the verge of retirement? He told me only one thing. It's not that I became like a good musician or something else like that, but I enjoy the process of learning. I enjoy the process of learning. అరే నేర్చుకుంటుంటే ఏదైతే ఆ ప్రాసెస్ ఉందో we will not appreciate it. So I request all participants and also parents, like it's better to encourage your children participating in number of events and let them enjoy the process of learning. This is one of my sincere advice from my side. And at the same time, like I feel if I was given a chance to select one student among two, let's say the first student is of like topper of the class, topper of the school, with very basic minimum knowledge about like outside society, and the second one being like with just pass marks or 50% of marks, but at the same time like he has like good exposure in all extracurricular activities, being let it say sports or dance, whatever it may be. I would select the second student rather than the first student. So I request all parents kuda unnaru kabatti we only give importance for studies. We only give importance for studies. We all know that, but at least I suggest, I request that manamu studies lo iche anta interest
of education. And thank you, sir, for your support, and undoubtedly your words have truly inspired us to a greatest height.